In this video, I'll show you how to install TubeBuddy. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, please consider leaving a like, as it helps get this video to more people. Please watch this guide until the end so you know the 4 steps. Without any further ado, let's jump into this. Now, let's continue with this guide. This guide will work on both Windows and Mac. One quick note. To get TubeBuddy, you need to use either Google Chrome or Firefox. In this guide, I'll be demonstrating in Chrome, but both browsers are very similar. As I mentioned, you need one of these browsers, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the browser you're using. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, go to the description or the pinned comment, where you'll find a link that looks something like this. All you need to do is click on it. So here we go. It's now taking us to the TubeBuddy site. The first thing you want to do is click on Install Free. The website will give you some information, but I'll cover it here and show you how to do it. Let's click Install Free now, and it will take us to the Chrome Web Store or the Firefox Web Store. All you need to do is click on Add to Chrome. You'll see a pop-up, and you just need to click Add Extension. It'll take a few seconds. It's now checking and shouldn't take much longer. There may be a download indicator at the bottom, as you can see, but I'll catch up with you once it's finished. Within less than a minute, it should finish and take you to the TubeBuddy website's welcome page. The first thing you want to do here is go to the top right corner where it says Sign In. Mine says My Account because I've already signed in before. Just go and sign in using your Google account. I'm going to click on My Account now, and it'll show you all the channels you have on this Google account. The next step is to open a new tab and go straight to YouTube to check this out. Once you're on YouTube, select the channel you want to connect with TubeBuddy. Click where it says TubeBuddy Sign In Required. Make sure to read the privacy policy and terms of use. I've already read them, so I'll click here and sign in. Then, select the appropriate channel. Mine is Tutorial Example. Click here and it will show you what TubeBuddy will be able to do. If you choose to allow it, click Allow. It'll take you back to YouTube, and there you go. We've successfully connected it. Once connected, click on TubeBuddy to see a ton of information. Here's the main dashboard, and you've got all the tools available. It is now successfully installed. I want to give you a quick rundown of what you can do with it. For example, here's the Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio, Topic Planner, Tag List, Best Time to Publish, and Click Magnet. Just a quick note, TubeBuddy also has a paid version with additional benefits and features, so be sure to check that out. Let's test one of these tools. One of my favorites is the Keyword Explorer. Click on it, and you can enter a keyword term. It'll analyze it and tell us if it's good. For example, if we enter something like Minecraft and click Explore, it'll give us an overall score and analysis. As you can see, this keyword scores poorly because it's quite saturated. If you upgrade, you can see customized scores for your channel, which is really helpful. If you try something more niche, like Minecraft Guide, it'll likely have a higher score since there are fewer videos with this keyword, but it still has a good search volume. This is one of the many useful tools TubeBuddy offers. If you go back to the dashboard, you'll find even more tools like the Video Topic Planner. Here, you can add new topics. Click Add New Topic, enter a title like Tutorial, and add a note. And you can mark it as completed once the video is done. Click Save. If we come back up here, we've also got Click Magnet. As you can see, this will quickly identify what content your audience is craving and what sort of thumbnails will drive the most clicks. You've also got a thumbnail generator, health reports, and video A/B testing, which is super useful. You can discover which thumbnails, titles, types, and descriptions drive the most clicks and views to your videos. You've got bulk processing, comment moderation, and so many other awesome features that are part of TubeBuddy, and it's definitely worth checking out. As I said, go and check out the link below, which is an affiliate link. If you find this TubeBuddy guide useful, please go down below, hit the like button, and subscribe as well. If there are any other TubeBuddy guides you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. I hope you all have an awesome day. Peace out.